How to optimize your health in a down economy. So they say a man with optimal health has many dreams, while a man with poor health has only one. So most people do understand that your health is your greatest investment you can make, but in today's economy, it makes sense to look for ways to optimize your health as economically and affordably as possible. So maybe it's my Dutch heritage coming through, but helping clients save money while getting the best results has always been top of mind for me. So with that in mind, here are 7 tips you can use to optimize your health in the most affordable way possible. Number 1, learn to cook healthy meals. Busy schedules, they often push home-cooked meals aside in favor of convenience, but that convenience comes at a cost both to your health and to your wallet. So with modern tools like Instapots, air fryers, automatic rice and vegetable cookers, you can quickly prepare healthy meals that are ready when you are with the push of a button. So a bag of frozen vegetables, a bag of brown rice, and some protein is a recipe for both health and convenience. Number 2, exercise at home. Exercise is not negotiable when it comes to health, but you don't need to spend $100 a month on a gym membership or $100 an hour personal training. Start with a free YouTube bodyweight workouts. Then invest your savings into some basic equipment like resistance bands, a mat, and some adjustable dumbbells over time. And soon you'll have all the tools you need to do a variety of exercises at home, saving time and money. You can get a great workout faster than you can drive back and forth to the gym. Personally, I haven't been to a gym in over 17 years, yet I exercise almost daily and I've never skipped a week. 3, use your shower and your tub. There's entire systems of medicine that are built around alternating hot and cold therapies for detox, immune support, and recovery. You can do all of the same at home with nothing more than a bathtub with a shower and some Epsom salts. So treat yourself to your own spa-style recovery day after a long day of work. Number 4, streamline your supplements. Stop buying endless supplies of individual supplements. Many of my clients bring in bagfuls of bottles of zinc, omega-3, NAC, quercetin, collagen, B12, B6, B3, vitamin C, and more. But by using a well-formulated combination product, we can help clients cut down their supplement load drastically. I've reduced some clients from 20 pills a day to just taking 3, while they're actually getting more value in ingredients for a fraction of the cost. 5, use your health plan. Most people have coverage for massage, acupuncture, naturopathic care, osteopathy, and more, but they never use it. So divide up your plan benefits and you could likely receive treatments probably every other week all year, fully covered, and use these services to optimize your health, alignment, immune function, and stress management. Also, maximize your visits. When patients come to see me, I often try to combine acupuncture, dietary reviews, lab follow-ups, adjustments, even vitamin injections, all within the same session so that they get the most out of their time and coverage. 6, cut back on your harmful spending. You can save money and improve your health instantly and drastically by reducing the things that harm you. Less alcohol, less smoking or vaping, less fast food. If these are staples in your life, take 15 minutes to run a budget and you will be shocked by how much money you're investing in health-destroying habits each month. And finally, number 7, drink herbal teas. Herbal teas are one of the most affordable ways that you can hydrate and support your health. So simple herbs from the grocery store, even like ginger, sage, and cinnamon, offer huge benefits for a very low cost. At my office, even for myself and my staff, we make a liter of herbal tea each day, and I'm not leaving the office until that pot is empty. So which of these 7 tips do you think would save you the most money and improve your health right now? I hope this was helpful. This is Doc Yates signing off.